Okay, so if you have breadcrumbs enabled and you have file path set to on, you can actually see all the folders in between the root of your repository and the file that you're looking at. Now, this setting right here controls whether you will see also icons in that path. Now, the problem that I have with this setting, and this setting is set to true by default, by the way, is that it shows icons for some folders and files, but not for all folders. So notice that I have icons for the repository, the assets folder, the CSS folder, and then for the file itself. And on the breadcrumbs, I only have icons on the repository, on the root, right? And on the file, but not on the assets or the CSS folders, which is, well, kind of annoying. I don't like this inconsistent behavior, and this is a VS Code problem, I think, because even though I'm using the VS Code icons extension, which is this one right here, which is pretty great, by the way, if we change this to actually let's do that. If we change this from VS Code icons to VS Minimal, and these two, VS Minimal and VS SETI, are the two icon themes that come by default with VS Code. If we change that, we still don't have the folder icons for these two folders. So I think this is a VS Code problem. For that reason, I find it like every time I look at the breadcrumbs, I get a little tiny bit annoyed for the inconsistency. So I would just rather have this set to false until this is fixed. So I'm leaving this one set to false because I'm kind of a perfectionist and I like consistent behavior.